So lovely, day so lovely, Earth day with you so lovely. Do 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 do. Spell L-O-V-E-L-E-E. 이름만 불러도 you can feel me. 눈빛만 봐도 알면서 my love.
I'm in a cafe again. Mga 1:45 p.m. It's already 3:42 p.m. My mom had to go here again, so I'm just waiting for her. Little study break and Puro Taylor songs yung pinag-record here. I'm gonna study again. That's all. Oh, I forgot to kwento. Kahapon, I bought French toast. Tapos, ino-open ko yung little packet ng honey para ilagay sa French toast. Then, nung pagka-open ko, nahulog lahat ng honey sa hands ko. So, super sticky na hands ko nun. Then, mag-isa lang ako. So, hindi ako makapag-CR and everything. 20 minutes kong tinatanggal yung honey sa kamay with wipes and tissue and alcohol. So, yun. That was the start of my day yesterday. Today naman, it's okay. We moved to a different cafe now, and my brother got mango juice ng Heights. It's very mango-y yung itsura niya. Mango!
How is mango?
Mango-y.
Is that even a word?
I like mango, the fruit, but as a juice, no. I also got this. Di ba ang tawag here? This is scone, chocolate chip scone, and this one. I'm just gonna check. It's called whoopie pie. It's whoopie pie.
Whoopie?
Yeah. Eh, ito pala eh. May resibo pala eh. Made of butter, egg, cocoa, and flour. Is it cocoa? Cocoa? Cocoa. It's like choco pie na freshly baked. I like it. Anyway, back to studying. I'm just gonna take a photo of the sunset. Let's go! Look at the sunset! I stood up muna kasi I'm tired na. And kalat ako. No. There's like a well here. Let's see kung gaano kalalim. Uy! Ang daming pera! Wow! Ang daming pera! This is a birthday cake from CBTL for my brother.
And it's mine. How dare you?
yung sun na ako nakatingin. Sinend ko sa'yo yun nung isang araw. Nakakonect pala ako sa'yo.
Yeah, right over.
Nakakonect ako kay dad ngayon. I'm everywhere. Pray for me. It's the brow tight time. I want the dress up or the reading. It's not. It looks like this when you add the acrylics. Ano, nakakuha siya ng stamp? For ano daw? Magkakaroon siya ng break-up kit thingy. Patita mo. Busy Isa. Hi guys! Sabi ba ako? Of course you do. Hi guys! Dito kami sa One More Chance, the musical. Tapos makikita namin si Sam Concepcion! Dati! Ha? Oo nga, nakita ko dun sa labas. Tinuro ko kasi si Sam Concepcion. Yung pangalan niya! Pauline, pakikat to, nakakahiya. I want a break-up kit. Break-up kit? Guys, may naman sa Concepcion. Cue music. Lahat lalagay mo. Dati. Magpapakita. Wala yung ko. Image ko. Hello, may image. Guys, if gusto nyo bigyan yung special someone nyo ng panyo, ito na yun. With coat. Yun o, with coat. Love it. Ha? Ayun na. Guys, ayun na. Ay! Bye guys. Stan beanie guys. Stan beanie. Cue music. Pag mo ng music po rin, no? 10-minute break. So, mag-i-inarte muna tayo. Grabe, ang ganda. Ang ganda.
Kala mo ang ganda ng ang ganda ng playlist mo.
Yung main kasi, Tasha Popoy. Grabe, perfect.
Guys, please comment kayo sa baba na kailangan panoorin ni Pao yung original movie.
Kasi, let me explain. Wait, favorite movie niya yan. Tapos lagi niya sinasabi, umiiyak daw siya pag pinapanood niya. So, natatakot akong panoorin. Hindi siya pinapanood.
It's a staple sa Philippine cinema.
Sorry. Hindi nga ako mahilig sa movies. Kasi sinabi ko sa'yo. Hindi ako nanonood ng movies masyado.
Kasi nakasampung oh, ina ko kaya ako binulong ko.
Tapos maglagay tayo dito. Parang blush. Kasi parang wala na. Tapos huwag natin i-blend.
Guys, sobrang ganda talaga. Ang ganda. First half pa lang.
Maganda, as in funny and
Funny siya. And ano at the same time. Ano? At ano? Bakit? Period. Bakit?
Maganda.
Yun lang yung alam ko. Anong tawag? Ang sabihin. Siyempre, hindi mo alam. Ang makakala siya. Anong breakup cake?
Naiingit ako. Kala mo naman kailangan ko. Hindi, pero kasi libre din yun. Girl, magkano din ng wet wipes. Wet wipes? May wipes ba yun? Parang na rin, hindi Sanicare. Tissue pala. Wet wipes.
Nakaiiyak ka, wet wipes?
Tissue pala.
Sobrang funny niya talaga.
Ang ganda nung ano ba? Pagkasulat. Yung playwright. Sino yung playwright? Playwright.
Kaya ako pagkasulat.
Tapos na. Ano masasabi nyo?
Relatable. Buhay niya talaga eh. Guys, please watch sa akin.
Masaya ka? Masaya ka? Patingin.